here's this factory mill. I want to show you something interesting. So about 6 months ago I inspected that house, and it has a beautiful high efficiency gas furnace. As always, I recommended the customer to contact a technician and make maintenance of the furnace, because those machines, they collect a lot of dust, and they require often cleaning periodical. So I don't know what happened exactly between the technician and my customer, but the technician cleaned only the ducts. Even he drilled some additional holes for proper cleaning. Okay, he did the job. I don't know if he didn't offer to my customer to clean the drain pipes, or he was in a hurry, or he offered but my customer refused. I don't know about that. Long story short, he didn't clean or check the drain pipes. There's a thing, most furnaces, all gas furnaces, they're having up to 4 different drain pipes, and because there are a lot of dust going in that system, occasionally those pipes are blocking. Unfortunately, it's a very tricky business. You cannot clean it yourself. If you dare to clean it yourself, you have to educate very well, read the instructions, because this specific system is it is great. It's very efficient. It doesn't require priming, and it has a collector with only one pipe going out to the drain, and because it has a very deep collector box, it doesn't require priming. Let me tell you what means priming. For example, this air exchanger, it's a require trap. This loop is working like a trap, and there is water inside. If there is no water, if it's just air, instead of because there is vacuum inside the system, instead of draining the water, it is sucking air from that pipe, so the water remains inside the body. Most of the furnaces are the same way. This specific model is excellent 96% efficiency York, so it doesn't require priming. It's well done. However, it was blocked. It was not maintained, and it was leaking water, and the technician that did the maintenance did maintenance only of the air distribution system. He didn't open the burner to flush the pipes. Something else. Another reason to not clean it by yourself is because the most efficient way to cleaning is with shop vac. Just put some water on the top and suck it from the bottom. However, very often mistake is to suck without disconnecting, and this is damaging the vacuum sensors, because the shop vac is too strong for them, and they're getting permanently stuck, and it must be replaced after that. So you can see that there was a lot of leak in the past. Now the problem is already solved. The pipes are cleaned, everything is tested and functional. Something else, the air filters. Every air conditioner, every furnace, every air exchanger has an air filter. Depending on the size, 1 inch, 2 inches, 4 inches, different producers are recommending different periods of replacement. Most case between 3 and 6 months, 1 year. There is a thing, it doesn't depend only on the size of the filter, it depends also of your activity in the house. If you're just a working couple and most of the time you're not home, it's one thing. If you have a few kids and some grandparents at home, and if you have carpets, the kids are running on the carpets, jumping on the sofas, that makes, we may say, 10 times more dust than the average habitat. The idea, whatever I'm recommending, is the people to check time to time their filters and adapt to their needs, because if you see that your filter is dirty after 2-3 months, even if it's a thick filter, it means that you need to buy a larger box and replace them more often. In some case, you may notice that you replace the filter after 1 year and it's almost clean, and you do it only for the hygiene, to not collect bacteria and smells. Everybody is different. You have to adapt to your needs. Thank you very much. Inspector Emil here.